Hey guys, this is Oscar again here over at Nikkyo Cars in Japan. Today we have a beautiful day out, very sunny, and on top of that we have a beautiful car to show you. This right here is a 2010 Subaru WRX STI. Now, WRX, we know the history behind it. We know what it stands for. We know where it comes from. This comes from the history of rallies and the performance of this car in those competitions. It has outperformed many running those rallies. And on top of that, as I said, tuned by STI, which we all know is just, performance all around. So we want to show you around this car today. We want to drive it around with you so that you can get a feel for it. Please join us. All right, guys, so first let's start here at the front of the vehicle. As you can see, right here it's got this scoop for airflow, which is a must for our turbocharged. HID headlamps, again, all newer vehicles have them, so that's of course good. You've got your fog lamps down there, and a cool little aspect here, you've got another little scoop down there for airflow, which helps to keep the engine cool. So all in all, this car, when you look at it from the front, it has this mean but lean look, and it kind of scares other cars in the road. All right, so now we're looking at the side of the vehicle. This is actually the driver's side of the vehicle. So just some details to notice on this car. First things first, 18-inch alloy wheels built for STI. As you can see, the STI logo right in the middle. Also, the brakes, high-performance brakes, Brembo by brand, but they are built for STI. Therefore, you see the STI logo in them. Then you've got the little STI badge right here. Cool little thing, and then this is just for looks. It doesn't actually serve a purpose, but as you can see, it does give it a very aerodynamic look. So again, on the side it looks really good, really attractive. You've got the little blinkers, of course, in the mirror, so a really nice looking car. Okay, so now we're going to take a look at the back of the vehicle. A couple of things to notice back here, and this is actually a really cool little detail that was brought up to my attention because I didn't know. If you take a look at here, this fender right here, you'll notice how it is a little bit wider here on the rear. Now, the reason why this is just so it gives it a better turning ratio. So, that was a detail I didn't know, so it was pointed out to me, and I think that's pretty cool, and I hope you guys like that little detail there. Another couple of things to notice, of course, you got this huge spoiler, again, keeping with the whole mean look. That's right there, very intimidating looking. You got the dual mufflers, of course, down there. You've got another, set of, those are just decorative. Actually, they don't serve a purpose, but, they look cool, so we got to point them out. This one comes equipped with a back camera, of course. You got to have that. It's an all-wheel drive. So, it is a really nice car. Really well kept also. So we'll take a look at the inside in a minute. So hopefully you guys like it. We'll take it around for a spin. Hope you guys like it. Alright guys, so now we're inside of the vehicle. As you can see, it's got all the cool gadgets here. So let's take it out for a spin and see what you guys think. So this vehicle is actually a 2000cc engine, manual transmission, 6-speed. So it has very good performance. As you can see, we are driving again in uneven terrain. So, the fact that it is an all-wheel drive does of course help. Suspension is good. It feels okay for what you would expect, of course, from a vehicle of this kind. Handling, again, we are driving around tight corners. As we mentioned in one of our previous videos, we are in one of our yards, so we have to, drive around tight corners. It does have a good feel to it. As I said, it handles well, it brakes well. Those high performance brakes do seem to work. We're gonna speed up a little bit here. So this car has a Boxster engine. It has 308 horsepower. So it does have quite a bit of punch when you have a chance to open up and step on it. It does have quite a bit of power. So you know, it is a really good vehicle. It's super clean inside, and we're gonna try to give it a little bit of power here since it's a bit straight. Let's see. We're gonna take it back to where it was, but let's give it a little bit of power. See what you guys think. Those high performance brakes really work. So, you know, now inside of the vehicle, you've got a little thing. You got the SI drive here. You got different driving modes. You got sport mode, etc. So that's right there. The differentials, got the STI logo right there. So again, you've got your boost clock right there, or gauge, if you will. This particular car has 152,000 kilometers on the clock, so it hasn't been run around very much, and it has been well kept. It does run very well. It is a push start, so you got that right there. So overall, it is a very clean looking car, really nice. If you guys are interested, if you guys want to know more about it, you know, leave us some questions down there. We'll be very happy to answer them. All right, guys. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed looking around with us. This is a very nice vehicle. So if you have any questions about this particular car or any of the cars that we have in our website, please just drop us some comments or ask us any questions. Now, if there's any particular car you'd like to see, or you know you'd like to see us drive around, we'd be more than happy to help. We'll leave a link down there to our website so that you guys can go check it out. And hey, if you guys like these kind of videos, you know, follow us, subscribe to our channel, give us a like. We'll be more than happy to keep creating content for you.